Hello guys, welcome to the new episode of Tip and Tricks where we learn simple, easy math and card tricks to bet and prank your friends. Now those tips are really amazing and really cool, and the ideologies are very simple. You can do with simple hand or easy pen and paper, or if you want to do this into long numbers, that is when you need the calculators. But trust me, if you go through the whole video, you will understand how amazing these tricks are, but very simple to do. So let's start with this. Okay friends, so let's now start the trick. Now in this trick, we'll go through some very simple steps, and it's steps of multiplication, addition of numbers. So let's start up the step by you choosing any number. Now you can choose any number. It may be 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, whatever number you choose, like you feel like. But just remember, if you're choosing a long number, just to ease the process for you, you need to have a calculator. So just to make things simple, as most of us would not have calculators this time, so we will just start up with a 1 digit number. But this prank is good for all the numbers you feel like. So let's start the trick. Step 1, guess a number. Good. Now multiply that number by 2. Good. Step 3, add a number to it. Number 8. Good. Step 4, divide the total sum of the number by 2. Take your time. Wonderful. Good. Now subtract the number that you initially guessed off from the total sum that you just got. Good, you're good in maths. So what's your answer? Sorry? Yeah, it's 4. Your answer is 4. That's how cool it is. Right? You loved it? Want to do it once again? Cool, we'll do it once again. Now this time you might choose a big number you wish, or if you can choose the same slot of numbers, small 1 digit, 2 digit, it's fine. Let's do this once again. Step 1, guess a number. Just make sure you don't get the same number again, or else you get the same answer. So just guess a different number. Done? Now multiplicate that number by 2. Wonderful. Now add 12 to it. Wonderful. Now divide the sum by 2. Make it half. Good. Subtract the number that you initially guessed off. Good. So what's your answer? Right, it's 5. That's correct, you're good in maths. Oh, it's not 5? I knew it's not 5. It's 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. It's 6. Gotcha. So if you wish to know how to do this trick, how to do this prank with your friends, because the rules are very simple. If you want to know more about it, just be in the video. We will do this. So guys, I think you might have really enjoyed the prank and you wish to know how it is done. This is very simple, very cool. So now we'll reveal how this could be done. Okay, now there are actually 4-5 steps on this, so just make sure you follow all the steps correctly and give your spectator the amount that, the time that he needs to calculate those numbers. So we'll start up the revealing. Now initially you ask your spectator, you ask your guest, you ask your friends to think of a number, to guess of a number. Now as I said to you in the initial part of the video, your friends can choose any number, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, We don't care about it. We simply don't care about it. They can choose any number in the world they need to. It's all fine with it. Step 2. Ask them to multiplicate that number by 2, which means to double the number. Okay? Simple. So far so good. Step 3. This is the most important part of the trick. Now, as said, friends, step number 3 is the most crucial place of the whole trick, because there is where you lay the whole trick upon. Now, ask your spectators, ask your friends, ask your guests to add a number to their total amount. Now, give them an even number to add, whatever number, say 10, 12, 20, 50, 80, 100, 200, any number you wish to. Ask them to add that number. Okay? And then whatever the amount that they have in step 4, you ask them to divide it by 2. Now the last step, you ask them to subtract the amount or the number they initially thought of with your total sum. Let's say the total answer right now they have is 200, and the initial number they guessed was say 10. So ask them to subtract the initial guessed number or the initial thought of number from the total sum. Now whatever the answer they will get is the half of the number you told them to add in step number 3. I repeat myself. The answer that they will get would be the half of step number 3 amount or the number that you gave them. For an example, we'll go through the trick once again with you. Okay, so you ask your spectators to guess a number. Say I be the spectator, I guessed the number, say 10. Now step 2, multiplicate the number by 2. So 10 into 2 is 20. Step number 3, ask them to add a crucial number. Add a number in step number 3. So now your crucial number is, you may give them 8. Add 8. So remember, the answer would always be the half of 8. It would be 4. So we'll see how it is. So you gave me the number 8 to add. So my total was 20. I add up 8 to 8. It becomes 28. Step number 4, divide it by 2. So 28 divided by 2, it's 14. And the last step, step number 5, subtract the initial thought of number from the total sum that I have. So I have 14. My initial guess number was 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. The half of the number that you gave while adding step number 3. You said add number 8 to your total. So half of 8 is, gotcha, it's 4. That's the whole tip and trick of this easy maths trick, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it and this gave you a bit of learning and fun. You can simply prank your friends, amaze them with this wonderful new trick. So I will just sign you off with you, and if you really like this video, please do like, share and subscribe with your friends, when we will be posting such new amazing videos in future as well. Stay safe. Thank you.